Hello everyone, welcome you all to Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, let's see what do you mean by profit and what do you mean by loss and how to find out using the formulas. Let's see what is cost price. Cost price is the amount for which an article is bought is called cost price. Means the price at which the items are bought and it's represented by CP. CP means cost price. Selling price. What do we mean by selling price? The amount for which an article is sold. It's called selling price and it's represented by SP. That means price at which the items are sold is called selling price. Let's see with simple examples what do we mean by loss and profit. Here there's a chocolate factory. A person named Arun, he buys a chocolate from the factory at the cost of rupees 50. Means 50 rupees he took the chocolates. That means it is a cost price of one chocolate is 50 rupees, which we call it to be as CP. CP means cost price. What Arun will do? He is selling the same chocolate to Shanvika at the cost of rupees 60. Means he sold the same chocolate for rupees 60. That means it is selling price. Now if you observe here, cost price is 50 and selling price is 60. Means selling price is more than the cost price. So when selling price is more than cost price, it is profit. That means we will do rupees 60 minus rupees 50, which is 10 rupees profit he got it. So profit formula is SP minus CP, which is selling price minus cost price. Let's see one more example. Here Arjun, he bought a LCD screen for 8,000 rupees. Bought. That means it is cost price. The cost price of LCD monitor is 8,000 rupees 8,000. He sold the same one at the cost of 7,500. That means sold. That means selling price is 7,500 rupees. If you observe here, cost price is more than the selling price, or SP is less than CP, or it means the same. Selling price is less, 7,500 is less than 8,000, or 8,000 is more than 7,500. That means it is loss for him. So the loss formula is CP minus SP. That means cost price minus selling price. Let's review the same thing what we have seen as examples. Profit or loss, the formulas. When selling price is more than the cost price, it is, yes, it is profit. That means SP minus CP. When the selling price is less than cost price, or the same thing you can say to be as cost price is more than SP. In some textbooks they will represent like this. This also you can consider anything is correct. So it is loss, which is CP minus SP. CP minus SP means cost price minus selling price. You have to remember these formulas to solve the problems on profit and loss. Let's solve this profit and loss with an example, one word problem. Preeti, she bought a chikankari embroidery pillow at the cost of 363 rupees and she will sell it for rupees 450. Always read the question very carefully, split it and underline the key points. Here the first key point is cost Preeti rupees 363. Underline it. Next one, she will sell it for rupees 450. Now mention the data. First RFD is here. Read the problem carefully. Next see what are the things important. Data has been given. F. Find it. What is to be done. So we will write it first. Cost price is 363 rupees. Selling price is 450 rupees. Now you observe here we will represent in the form of a model. Selling price is more. So on the top box you make one box, write selling price. Draw one more box down. So cost price is 363 rupees. Profit, this is the difference which we have to find. So what did you observe here? Selling price is more than CP means it is profit. So profit formula is this SP minus CP we have to do. Means you have to write rupees 450 minus rupees 363. When we subtract, see 10 minus 0 it will not go. So borrow, it will become 10. 5 will become 4. So 10 minus 3. 7, here 14, 14 minus 6 is 8. So when you are borrowing, here 4 will become 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Therefore 87 rupees profit she got it. That's why Preeti is looking so happy, you can see here. Solving this problem is very easy. Read it, split it and just recall what has to be done. All the things are dependent on cost price and selling price. See how much is given. Understand whether it is a profit or loss. And last you must write the conclusion. Therefore profit equals to rupees 87. Let's see one more example. Same question. Preeti, the same cushion cover which was slightly damaged, so she sold it for rupees 300 now. And when the cost price is more than the selling price, here before itself we got it, the cost price is 363 rupees and she sold it for rupees 300 now. So sold it means it is selling price is rupees 300. Now you think of it and find whether it is a loss or a profit. We'll draw the model diagram. CP here, because CP is more here, so the bigger amount one we are writing on the top one. Selling price is less, so selling price here, this is the loss. Loss means it is a difference. This we have to find now. So what is the formula? CP is more than SP, or you can say selling price is less than cost price also, it is correct, and it is loss. And the loss means we are subtracting CP minus SP. So 3 minus 0 is 3, 6 minus 0 is 6, 3 minus 3 is 0. Therefore, Preeti had a loss of 63 rupees. That's why her face is very sad. You can see here. The sums are very simple. Split it, read it, underline the important things. You can draw these model diagrams. The greater number, whatever is there, write it on the topmost box. Find whether it is loss or profit and find the solution. And conclusion, compulsory you have to write the conclusion. Loss is equals to rupees 63. If you get profit, you mention as profit.